Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Let's check out this 1968 Firebird. Just came in from the West Coast. Super nice, fun car. Real clean. Powered by a 350, 320 horse, 4-barrel, 3-speed transmission automatic. Let's take a look up close. This turquoise paint is just beautiful and deep. Great reflection. Tire package with original wheels on there, sitting on radials. Chrome mirror, chrome around the windshield is great. Wipers intact. Gorgeous body. Great color. Turquoise really shines. Got a white convertible top. I've taken over about 100 pictures. Underneath is real clean. This lines up great. Everything the way it should be. It's fresh. All right, let's get up and personal on it so you know exactly what you're getting. Hood's in great shape. Badging with the 350. Chrome around the window is great. Got a little bit of originality in there from the top, but that's just normal stuff. Wipers are intact and working. Glass is great. Front chrome bumpers in great shape. All your grilling is right. Bezels around the light. Underneath, just done. Beautiful color. Marker lights are all there. All your decals and badging's fine. Great. Nothing with the paint. No flaws yet. Chrome sport mirror. Let's get down so you can see it all. Everything is intact. It's just beautiful. I can't find anything really yet. Everything lines up great. Trunk all the way through. All your lights are working the way they should be. Rear chrome bumper, great condition. Dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Get back a little bit so you can see it. All your weather strippings are good. Marker lights are fine. One little spot here. Where is she? This one tiny little spot there. Just nice. Antenna's intact. All your glass is great. Just done beautifully. So I really couldn't find much in flaws. You're getting a nice car. Interior's all intact. All your seat belts so you could grab the kids. Grab the neighbors, go for some ice cream. Sun visors are intact. Got the wood Pontiac wheel, automatic transmission, center console, gauge package. Heater's working properly, lights, horn, everything the way it should be. Just done really right. No excuses on this one. None whatsoever. Fire up. Odometer reads 92,498. To be believed. Engine's been totally gone through. It really sounds good. Got the original AM/FM radio in there. There's your gauge package. See how everything's working properly. Water's not going to be up because I just started it, but it's working. Gas gauge is working. Let's listen to it. Nice sound. Sounds like it may have a little bit of a cam in there. Look how nice this trunk is. cover for the top. Boot is right there. Original spare tire. All set up with the jack. Trunk is great. Got some stampings here still. Just clean. Listen to this. That's what I'm talking about. Power steering, power brakes, all the hoses are good, belts are checked. Oh my, that's nice. Engine's been totally freshened up. Quiet. Nice car. Great lines. Let's take another listen. If you're looking to get some financing, we've got great financing available, up to 84 months with good credit. If you've got a score of anywhere from a 625 to 739, go directly to my website and fill out the application. We'll call it into the bank, generally about 10% down minimum. If you're a 740 or above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Generally get approved within 24 hours. Again, 84 months. Sometimes no money down. Also, if you need delivery, we deliver nationwide, bonded and insured right to your door. You could call me or text me your zip code, and I'll be able to get you a quote. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. You can call me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, MGM Classic Cars. Like us on Facebook. Also, we've got 120 cars in stock. Check us out. Thanks. See you soon.